I'm excited to show you my new phone case. It fits an iPhone 16 Pro. I want to thank the brand Love Moofle for sending me this product so that I could make this video and give you my honest opinion. The case is a hard shell on the back. This is what it looks like on the inside. But the edges are soft. All around the edges it's soft material, and the corners are cushioned so that if I drop my phone and it hits on the corner, it's cushioned. I like that about it. Also, it has precise cutouts for the buttons, the charging cord on the bottom. It fits exactly on the phone. So let me put it on the phone and show you. It's pretty easy. Okay, and here's the place to plug it in, and you can see it fits exactly right into the hole where it's supposed to go. So the case is not letting anything not work. You know, everything should still work. I love this design. It's so colorful. I like the deep, gorgeous colors. And the design is a checkerboard lattice plaid. That's what they're calling it. So if you're in the market for a phone case and you have an iPhone 16 Pro, you might want to try this one. I love it.